Hello, my friends. Today, I will tell you the story of a city that disappeared in a single night. A beautiful Roman city full of life, laughter, and dreams. A city that nobody believed could ever die. This is the story of Pompeii. Long ago, Pompeii was one of the most beautiful cities in the Roman world. The streets were full of people every day. Merchants sold food, clothes, and jewelry in busy markets. Children played near fountains. Rich families lived in large homes with beautiful gardens. At night, the city was full of music, light, and conversation. People believed their future would last forever. But near the city stood a giant mountain. Its name was Mount Vesuvius. Quiet, silent, watching the city from above. Nobody in Pompeii understood the danger. The mountain had slept for many years. People walked near it every day. Farmers worked on the rich land around it. The soil was perfect for growing food. To the people, the mountain looked peaceful. But deep under the ground, something dangerous was growing. One day, strange things started to happen. Small earthquakes shook the city. Cups fell from tables. Dogs barked loudly during the night. Some people became afraid. Others laughed and continued their normal lives. Earthquakes were common in the Roman world. Nobody thought the mountain would erupt. Days passed. Then, one morning, everything changed. A loud sound exploded across the sky. People looked toward the mountain. Smoke and ash were rising into the air. The cloud became bigger and bigger. Soon, the sky turned dark. Birds flew away. The air became difficult to breathe. At first, many people stayed calm. Some watched from their windows. Others continued working. But then, stones started falling from the sky. Hot ash covered the streets. People began to panic. Families grabbed their children and tried to escape. The city became full of screams and confusion. The eruption grew more violent every hour. Fire flashed inside the dark cloud above the mountain. Ash covered houses and roads. People could no longer see clearly. Some prayed to the Roman gods. Others ran toward the sea. Many were trapped inside their homes. Nobody knew where to go. During the night, the disaster became even worse. A deadly wave of heat and gas rushed down the mountain. It moved faster than people could run. Everything in its path disappeared. Streets, buildings, markets, lives. Pompeii was buried under thick ash. The city became silent forever. After the disaster, Pompeii disappeared from the world. Years passed. Then centuries passed. Slowly, people forgot the city. Nature covered everything. The lost city slept under the ground for almost 1,700 years. Then one day, explorers discovered something incredible. Workers digging near Mount Vesuvius found walls under the earth. Then streets. Then houses. Archaeologists could not believe their eyes. Pompeii was still there. Inside the city, they found amazing things. Paintings on walls, shops full of objects, roads that looked almost untouched, and even people, frozen in the exact moment of the disaster. Pompeii became one of the most important discoveries in history. Today, millions of people visit Pompeii every year. They walk through the silent streets. They look at the ancient homes. They imagine the final day of the city. Pompeii was not only destroyed, it was preserved in time, like a message from the ancient world. And even today, the lost city still tells its story. If you want more historical stories in easy English, subscribe for the next chapter. Learn English through history.